Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable USB debugging on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on all the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now to enable USB debugging, first things first, you have to enable developer options on your Redmi Note 14. So I've done a video on how to enable developer options. I'll link it in the description. Now once you enable developer options, all you have to do is open settings. So find the settings icon or settings app on your device and tap on it. And then within the settings, scroll down and find additional settings. So tap on it. And then within the additional settings, scroll down and find developer options. So select it. Now within the developer options, scroll down until you find USB debugging. So here it is. So to enable it, all you have to do is simply tap on the toggle switch icon. And then you should get this warning. So USB debugging is a highly sensitive service intended for only developers. If you turn it on, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. And then it will tell you what will happen. So if you want to proceed, all you have to do is check this option. I'm aware of the possible risk and assume all possible consequences voluntarily and select OK. And there you go. You have successfully enabled USB debugging. So that's basically it on how to enable USB debugging on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.